Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I wash my toddler's hair. Very quick, very simple. Kelsie loves water, but for some reason hates to get her hair washed. So I just start by slowly wetting her whole head. And then I will go in with the Curly Kids shampoo and the matching conditioner. I try to use only a small amount of this shampoo because it does lather up very quickly, so it gets really sudsy and soapy. So don't use too much if you do try this shampoo, because it is kind of hard to get out if you have a small one like I do, who's not going to let you thoroughly rinse it out. But I just start by, basically just shampooing your hair the regular way, scrub her scalp, and I kind of try to detangle it as I go. And then I follow up with a small amount of the conditioner. I let the conditioner sit for about a minute because that's as long as she'll let it sit, and then I rinse it out, and that is all we do. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you all next time.